Hi everyone! In this course I will show you how to install Flutter with your Macintosh. First of all, we will go in flutter.dev and we will click on Get Started, the blue button. Then Mac OS, and this is the documentation to install Flutter with Mac. We will click on the Flutter SDK and we will download it. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. Then you will go inside your Finder, and the purpose is to find the home folder. To do so, you can go inside Document, click Command Up, and you will see that you are inside your home folder, and you will redo it, and you will find your home folder that you can slide inside your menu. For me it is MacBook, for you it will be something else. You can create a new folder inside this one, call it Flutter Dev. Perfect. In this one, we will go inside the download and drag and drop the Flutter download inside Flutter Dev. If you go inside, you can see that you have your Flutter folder. So your home folder, Flutter Dev, Flutter, and the bin folder. Remember this one because we will use it later in this course. Perfect. So after you can do Command Space to open the terminal inside your Mac. Once it is done, first, let me just tell you that if you have the newest version of the Mac, so the Big Sur at Catalina, you can continue on this course right now. But if you have the Mojave or iSeria, you will need to go at 4 minutes 33 to continue. Perfect. So let's continue on the newest version of the Mac. You will write in your terminal vim space wave /.zshrc. Enter. Perfect. Once you will be inside this document, you will need to press E to insert text. We will go back inside the documentation of Flutter. We will scroll down until to find the Update Your Path section. We will copy the third point. Inside our terminal, we will paste it, and we will need to delete a couple of things. Because we have already clicked on I, we can delete and insert text. You will keep the 2 points, and we will go inside the Finder. In the Finder, you will go inside your home folder. It will be the name of your computer. In Flutter Dev, Flutter, and you will see the bin folder. Perfect. So we have already the path of the Flutter/bin. What we will need to do is add $home in capital letter and /Flutter Dev. So this is the path of the Flutter installation. Now we will need to say escape and then column WQ exclamation point enter. Perfect, we have added the path of the Flutter. We can kill the terminal and reopen it. Now we will write inside Flutter Doctor. When you will press enter, this will download the Flutter requirement. This may take 5 to 10 minutes, but I accelerated to show you in this course. Then, if you go up a little bit, you will find the Flutter and with a green check mark. So that means Flutter has been installed successfully. Perfect. We will terminate this terminal. We will reopen it and rewrite Flutter Doctor once again. This one, it will not take 5 to 10 minutes, but a couple seconds just to see if Flutter works once more time. We have the green check mark, everything is good, and you have finished the installation of Flutter. Now we will install Flutter for the person that have Mojave or iSeria version or older version of Flutter. Okay, inside the terminal, you will write vim space .bash underscore profile. Then you press enter, and inside you will press E. So I. And you will go inside the documentation of Flutter, you will scroll down, and you will find the section Update your path. In this one, the third point, we will copy the path and we will go back inside our terminal. Perfect. Because we have already pressed on I, we can insert text. And then you will paste the path. You will need to remove everything. So all this, and we delete until we find the 2 point. Perfect. Now, the bin folder that I told you earlier, inside the Finder, you will take the bin folder and drag and drop it inside the terminal, just like this. So you will have user, for me it is MacBook, but it will be the name of your computer, then Flutter Dev, Flutter bin. You will press Escape, column WQ exclamation, and enter. Perfect. So you have write and quit this document. Now you can press X on the terminal and we will need to reopen it. So we take a new terminal and we will write inside this one, Flutter Doctor. So this may take, so you will press enter and this may take 5 to 10 minutes to install. And when it is done, so I just fast forward it, and when it is done, you will have something like this. If you go a little bit up, you will find the green check mark with Flutter channel. Perfect. So if you go, you click the X once again, and you reopen a new terminal, this time it won't take 5 to 10 minutes. So you will rewrite Flutter Doctor, you will press enter, and it will take a couple seconds because everything has been installed for Flutter. You will have your green check mark, and this is only a confirmation that Flutter has been installed. Perfect. Now you can close everything, and this was the installation for Flutter with your Macintosh.